Here in the Valley, Scottsdale gym ordered to close because of COVID-19 violations. But when we stopped by earlier tonight, this fitness center was certainly still open for business. ABC 15's Melissa Blasius on the story. And Melissa, this gym appears to defy the state right in plain sight.
It certainly seems that way, especially when we went to visit this gym earlier today here in North Scottsdale. And this happened just hours after the state health department tried to make an example out of this place. The Arizona Department of Health Services sent us this photo, a notice on the door of the self-made training facility near Frank Lloyd Wright and Thompson Peak, saying the owner failed to follow the governor's executive orders and he must attest to following COVID prevention rules and get approval to reopen. But Friday afternoon, the health notice was gone and the customers were back. I'm looking for Jeffrey or Amanda.
Yeah, he's not in.
Okay, because the state says you're supposed to be closed because
we're not doing any interviews.
To date, over 2,600 complaints about unique businesses have been reported.
ADHS Director Dr. Kara Christ released a video Friday saying she's concerned, but she's not discussing widespread business closures yet.
All of the metrics continue heading in the wrong direction. My team is working with public health and hospital officials and through public education and enforcement of our existing mitigation measures to address the rise in cases.
The health department's newest metrics show as of last week, 3 counties, Yavapai, Navajo, and Apache, were all in the red substantial category in all 3 COVID-19 benchmarks. We asked ADHS, what if those counties continue like that for a second week? A spokesman replied all options are on the table and they would work with health officials on further mitigation measures, including possibly further reducing occupancy at businesses like bars, nightclubs, gyms, and indoor theaters. As for Scottsdale's self-made training facility,
You guys can outside, please.
all right,
Private property.
Thank you. ADHS tells us they can and will seek a court order to either close a business or compel the business to follow the executive order. And I want to share with you some information that ABC 15 has just confirmed that members of the state modeling team from the University of Arizona sent a letter to the state health department today explaining what they see as a pending catastrophe in this state regarding COVID-19. They believe through modeling reports that they were looking at this week that we will exceed the total hospital capacity of the entire state in about 1 month from today. They are now urging state leaders to do a lockdown starting Tuesday and going through December 22nd. And they even say then there could be a peak of 6,200 new cases each day. The modeling team members say that this is very important, and they also think that the state would have to provide economic relief to the businesses and families affected by another statewide lockdown. But again, members of the COVID-19 modeling team, the university professors who've been looking at this for months and months in our state, the ones at the University of Arizona, some of them have sent a letter today to the state health department urging another lockdown. We have not heard a response yet from the health department about this letter, but we will be seeking a response ASAP. Expect more on the morning news on ABC 15. Reporting live from Scottsdale, Melissa Blasius, ABC 15.